we are using this kind of 4-light setup. So this is going to be our main light, and it's going to be on the camera right. So it is set 1 out of 8. And this is going to be the light pointing on her legs right there to reduce on the amount of shadows that are cast from this main light. Remember, the main light is throwing light from this direction, meaning you're going to be having some shadow from her right hand side. So we just want to use this light to remove or eliminate the shadows from this side, and the rim lights to slightly separate her from the background. So for studio images, what we want to do, the very first thing for studio images is, first of all, cutting away or removing the ambient lighting so that you are not distracted by the lights in the studio. So turn off the trigger, and I'm shooting at 1 out of 25th of a second, and I'm shooting at f9, and basically the ISO is 200. So I'm just going to use that as a starting point. So I've switched off the lights, and I'm just going to take a test shot. And the image you take at this point has to be black, as you're seeing on the screen in this case. So what I'll do, I'll just take one more. So I'm using a shutter speed of 1 out of 125th of a second at f9, and basically that is it, and ISO 200. So the reason for shooting at f9, remember, we're using a high f-stop number to have more detail in the image, and we want every detail in the model's body to be in focus. So after taking the ambient light photo, you're just going to come and turn on the light. And for my lights, basically, there are 2 Godox AD600 BMs, and I'm going to start shooting at 1 out of 8 power. So I'll take the first test photo with the lights turned on, and you can see right here the image looks really great. So I'll take another test photo. So you can see what we have in this case and how amazing that looks. So we're just going to start taking these photos, and I just want her to start posing, and I'll be directing her. So just pull in front a little. Yeah, like that. Can I have you raise your chin a little? Yeah, I like that. Then one hand on your thigh, this hand. Yeah, I like that. Nice. Yeah. Perfect. And I think always remember to compliment your models. Can I have you look this side? Okay. So what you have to do next, just turn towards this main light. I just want you to face this side towards the main light. Okay. Let me just shift this a little. Yeah. So same pose, 1 foot behind. Then pull this forward. Yeah. Then down behind. Yeah. Let it be down. Okay. Let me just take it. Yeah. Can I have you do like this? Both? Both? Yeah. I like that. Yeah. This is beautiful. Nice. Can I have this other hand? Just place it behind like that. Perfect. Nice. Okay. So next, what we want to do, you're going to stand. Okay. Just want you to face this side. So you're going to put 1 foot. No, from this side. From this side. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's beautiful. Can I have the other hand in your hair slightly? Perfect.